Welcome to BoostMySale. This video tutorial demonstrates how to add product using the BoostMySale web store admin panel. Please click on the Add Product button from the top right corner of the Manage Products page of your web store admin panel. Product listing is the multi-step process where system asks you to provide accurate information about your product. Also remember that the marked fields are mandatory and you can't leave them blank. Product name is the first field in this page, and here you need to enter the name of your product. Product name should be meaningful and accurate. Let's say your product name is Brussels 3in1 square dish set. Stock keeping unit is an inventory management term to help you to identify and keep track of your entire products. Enter your product's SKU here. Let's say your product SKU is BSSTS31. Category can be said to be the family to which this particular product of yours belongs to. The category or family is a class or division of products that have similar or particular shared characteristics and are often available in varieties. Please click on the arrow icon and a pop-up window will open. Here you will find 4 levels of primary category and secondary category. Please select primary category from drop-down and add one or multiple secondary category if your product belongs to multiple categories. Finally, click the Apply button and move to Next field. Supplier or vendor is a party who has supplied this product to you. Please click on the Select Some Options box to find the suppliers list, and here you can select the supplier for your product. Brand is the manufacturer of your product. Click on Select Some Options box to find your brand's list, and here you can select the appropriate brand for your product. Status: if the product is available, click Active. Otherwise, click Inactive. Image is the most important part of your product to increase the sales from your web store. Always try to upload high-resolution, clear and crisp product image to grab the buyer's attention. Here you can upload a photo of your product and let your customers see what they are actually going to receive in their hands. Remember that your product image must be less than 2 megabytes size and have a height and width greater than 150 pixels. Alternative images: here you can upload the alternative images for your product and will get the select image options like select from the existing pictures, drag and drop, upload from computer or upload from web. It is recommended to upload multiple high-resolution product images from different angles so that buyers can see the maximum about your product. Small description: this field helps you to capture the buyer's attention and get them interested in your product. Here you can highlight the most important and catchy details that buyers need at first. Also note that the small description field can be either a plain text or formatted HTML text. If you are not familiar with HTML, don't worry. You can easily add formatted description using built-in WYSIWYG HTML editor. Large description: it allows you to showcase your product to your customers without repelling them with either little or an overdose of information, but obviously providing all necessary details about what they are actually going to receive. Includes specific information like size, shape, color, age, date, and any notable features or markings. Again, large description can be either a plain text or a formatted HTML text. If you are not familiar with HTML, don't worry. You can easily add a formatted description using the built-in WYSIWYG HTML editor. Click WYSIWYG editor link and the editor opens in another window. Here you can find the basic text formatting options like style, font, size, text color, bullet points, numbering, etc. You can furnish your product description as you wish and save. Features are the unique characteristics of your product which satisfy particular consumer needs and hence serve a benefit why consumers should own your product. The features help you to boost your product's appeal to potential buyers and highlights the usefulness of the product to them. You can add features using either plain text or a formatted HTML text. Ideally, the features should be listed in bullet points. For example, made of borosilicate glass, tax class, it refers to the tax on the purchase of goods. Please select the tax class from the drop-down as it would be applied to your product. Gross weight, it refers to the total weight of the product, including contents, packaging, etc. Enter the numeric value of gross weight of your product. Customer group, it allows you to organize your customers, and give them discounts and/or restricted access to specific product categories. ASIN, each product sold on Amazon.com is given a unique Amazon Standard Identification Number. It is 10-character alphanumeric unique identifier assigned by Amazon for product identification within the Amazon If your product is pushed on Amazon, then here you need to enter the ISIN number. ISBN, it means International Standard Book Number. ISBN always consists of 13 digits. Enter ISBN if it is applicable to your product. EAN, it is the barcode symbol which has 13-digit variants, numeric-only barcode system used for identification of retail products. Enter the EAN number if it is applicable. Now let's explore the Inventory tab and enter the details. Product unit, select the correct unit of measurement applicable to your product. Also you can add new unit by click on Add Unit link. Cost per unit, the actual per unit cost of the product without profit margin. Enter numeric value of per unit cost of your product. PO tax class, it allows to select the purchase order tax class of the product as per charged by the supplier. Now explore the Search Engine Optimization tab and enter this information. Page URL, here you can add SEO-friendly page URL without any query string. Page title, it should be meaningful and keyword-rich in the context of the individual product. Meta keyword, it's a specific type of meta tag that appear in the HTML code of your web store and help tell search engines what the topic of the page is. You can add multiple meaningful keywords separated by comma. Meta description, it appears on a Google search results page under the page title. Congratulations! You have done the basic details of your product. Let's move to the Advanced Information page by click on the Continue button from the top of the page. The Advanced Information page is especially important for the marketplace-specific information of your product. Here you can see two tabs, Compulsory Information and Optional Information. First, select the marketplace from top and see the fields below. Marketplace-specific fields under Compulsory Information are mandatory and you must fill some data there. However, you can leave some fields under Optional Information tab if they aren't applicable for your product. Product type. Here the system will internally map your assigned product category with the marketplace category. Click on the drop-down list and select appropriate product type from the list. Included components. Here you can specify if the original product comes with additional components like gift wrapper, box packing, etc. Say, your product is coming with special gift wrapper and enter the same here. Enclosure material, it's the materials using which your product is manufactured. Click on the drop-down list and select all applicable materials of your product. Select glass if it is a glass product. Color name, your product may have multiple color options and here you can add all color options available to your listed product. Depending on your selected marketplace and category, Optional Information tab display the product fields like item package quantity, model, standard price, item condition, etc. Here you can enter only those fields that are applicable to your product. Once you have done all details of the Advanced Information tab, let's move to the next section by click on the Continue button. The next section is for managing the pricing and variant of your product. Your product can have one or multiple variants depending on its color, size or dimension. Here you can add as many variants as you wish and set the pricing for each of your variant item. Remember, the currency of your product price remains same as it has given in the Global Settings section. The Marketplace Pricing table enables you to manage the marketplace-specific price of your product as well as its variants. Different marketplace supports different currency. For example, eBay USA supports only American dollar whereas Flipkart supports only Indian rupees. When adding the marketplace-specific price of your product, you must insert the appropriate supported currency value for that marketplace. Let's add the price for your product and you will realize how the pricing model works. Default price, it is your product's default web store price and default currency is configured in the Global Settings section. Marketplace Pricing table, it will automatically take your default price, but you need to change them depending on the supported currency by a marketplace. Now let's click on the Add New Variant Product button. Another pricing section opens where you can able to add more color option, SKU and set the default web store price of that variant product. Once you have done all the pricing options, then click Continue button and let's move to the Related Products page. This page shows all active products of your web store and here you can manually select one or multiple products to attach them with your newly added product. Normally, related products belong to the same category. However, you are open to pick any product from the list. You can either search or simply pick the related products from the catalog. Your selected products will display in the sidebar or somewhere else when visitors go to this product details page. Let's click on the Continue button and go to the Upsells tab. Upsell product means the high-end products from the same category of your newly added product. You can attach one or multiple high-end products and increase your sell chances. Here you can see the list of expensive products from same category and can attach them to offer your customers. Upsells products can be recommended instead of the currently viewed product. For example, products that are now more profitable or better quality or more expensive. Let's click on the Continue button and go to the Cross-Sells tab. Here you can see the supplementary products of the original item. Cross-selling identifies products that satisfy additional, complementary needs that are unfulfilled by the original product. Please select one or multiple products to offer your consumers that might be beneficial to them. Let's click on the Continue button and go to the last tab, which is called Associated Products. Associated products are very similar to the related products. However, here you have no boundaries and can attach any item that you feel relevant. This product recommendation is based on the product your customer is currently viewing, and it intends to make customer buy more products, including the one that he wanted in the first place. Please select one or multiple products from this section and offer your customers during checkout process. Let's click on the Continue button and you will be automatically redirected to the Manage Product page and can see your newly added product. Congratulations! Your product listing process is completed. Please follow the same process to add more products using the BoostMySale Web Store Admin Panel. Thank you for watching this video.